Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crop in CapCut. Like iPhone users, Android phone holders can also get instant cropping assistance from CapCut. The steps to crop video on CapCut are the same as on the iPhone, but to avoid ambiguity, consider this part. Step 1. Install CapCut from the Play Store of your Android phone and get into its home screen. Following that, click the New Project tab and import the video you wish to crop. Tap on Add. As you get the media in the CapCut, go directly to the bottom toolbar and choose the Edit icon or tap on Edit. Afterward, swipe the bottom toolbar until you find the transform icon. Finally, you will find the crop icon, which you can tap the Access Advanced Crop options. From the next screen, use the corners of your media screen to adjust the size as required. Alternatively, you can pick one option from the given aspect ratio or presets. To save the changes, you need to touch the tick or correct symbol and move toward further editing. If you're happy, tap on Export. By now, you must get familiar with the workings of the CapCut crop video feature. To crop your videos, it provides countless presets options such as 1 and 1 or 3 and 4, and many more. Also, you can adjust your content screen systematically by choosing the custom option. Apart from that, users can use the pan and zoom option to set the video height and width freely. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.